So it's hard to see, but there's a state trooper on my right side. How the fuck? Nah, there's a cop right there. No. Visible. Yo, what's up, guys? Happy RC Friday. You get it? RCF. You know, F stands for Friday. No. So, I just got out of work, and the time right now is about 6 p.m. And unfortunately, it is dark as shit outside. So I really don't know what to film besides maybe a point of view video, nighttime drive, maybe of me trying to look out for cars at night and get a few runs in. But overall, guys, once again, thank you for your support. All 298 of you, we're so close to 300, are amazing. Like, yo, it's putting a smile on my face. This is a natural smile. I'm not forcing it, but literally, yo, you guys are so amazing and so supportive. But yeah, guys, apparently you guys love point of view videos. I love it too. So that's what I'm gonna give you, except this time it's gonna be nighttime. See you guys then. Also, guys, if you're new, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button if you are enjoying my content. No pressure though. And also, this is for everybody if you want to. Feel free to follow me on Instagram at turtle_RCF to keep up with me off the radar. Fun fact, I'm not a fan of driving at night. I don't feel like nighttime is usually the best time to film anything. Hopefully I run into some cars to race. If I don't, it's fine. This highway is a bit too empty. Like, I feel like it's a cop around the corner just sitting somewhere. So it's hard to see, but there's a state trooper on my right side. Yo, what the fuck? How the fuck? Nah, there's a cop right there. No. Visible. Yo, I just passed a state trooper, bro. And he ain't pull me over. That's insane. Nah, that's a scary moment. I think he was sleeping though, cause like ain't no way he didn't pull me over at that speed. What? Nah, my heart is beating, bro. What? I'm not even sure if the camera got it, but yo, nah, that's insane. Now I know, do not speed on this highway. This highway is so fucking empty. Like, it's so empty that I could stop my car, come out, and do maybe 5 push-ups before a car gets here. It's insane. You guys see this? This is a beautiful bridge, yo. Shit is amazing. What? Alright guys, so this is so random. I'm actually at a mall. I was hungry, so I stopped here to go grab some food. I got Charlie's, so yeah, and yeah, I'm about to just eat. I got some fries. I think this is like a medium, small fries with a large sandwich. So yeah, it's time to body this. Alright guys, so I just pulled up to Dunkin' Donuts for an espresso shot, right? One espresso shot because I'm feeling kind of tired. And what the fuck? We got the whole police department in here. I'm sorry. I just find this so fucking funny. Yo, I just want an espresso shot, bro. Just one. Yo, this is crazy. This is insane. Oh, she's staring at my tent. And what on earth happened here? So guys, I think an accident occurred. Yeah. It seems like a pretty big accident, as you can see. No way it was with the truck? A truck? Dude, the fuck? No way. No way. No way it's this truck. Okay. Okay. Wait, what the fuck? Yo, it was a fucking car. A fucking Civic. What the fuck? Alright. Well, I hope everyone's good. Hopefully. But yeah, that's crazy. What? What? Is he a cop? Wait, what? Yo, what is this? Yo, I'm hella confused, bro. What? So this car just came out of nowhere, you know. I thought it was something urgent. Wait, what? What type of New Jersey plate? What, bro? Who the fuck is this guy? What? Yo, this guy's getting fucking specialized treatment. What? This car literally pulled up to me in an urgent manner, you know. I thought a whole squad of cops was pulling up. Interesting. Interesting. I'm gonna head home. I'm tired. Got some tunnel action coming. Hopefully you guys can hear this pool. No, that was kind of fun. And I'm purposely not talking a lot so that you guys could actually hear the exhaust, aka the engine. And I'm kind of low energy right now, and it's 3:57 a.m. and yeah. I'm practically home, and so this is pretty much the end of the video. I really didn't do much besides drive around, but regardless, I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you didn't, please give me the feedback and just let me know if there's anything that I could change. But if you really enjoy these point of view drives, hit that thumbs up button. Me personally, I'm not really sure about the nighttime point of view drives, but I know some people do enjoy it. That's why I'm putting it out. Overall, guys, thank you so much. You guys are amazing, and you guys are so supportive. We are at 305 subscribers. That's crazy. That's really, really crazy. If you haven't subscribed yet, and if you enjoy my content, if you enjoy watching me, or if you just find yourself coming back to my videos for some reason, I think it might be a sign to maybe hit that subscribe button, you know, and maybe turn on your notification bell so that you are notified the next time that I post. But if you don't want to, that's fine. No pressure, no hard feelings. But yeah, guys, hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and keep an eye out for the next upload, guys. Peace.